Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to be showing you a Trinidadian recipe courtesy of my dad giving me the recipe, and we're going to be making pilau today. I've already marinated my meat. I marinated it with salt, pepper, green seasoning, 1 onion, and some soy sauce. For all the exact measurements, I always list all of my ingredients below in the down bar. And I'm just going to start by using a deep pan, heating up some oil and some garlic. And I have my heat on high right now. And then I'm going to go in with all of my marinated meat, and I'm just going to let that brown. While that's browning, I'm going to dice 1 tomato, and I'm just going to do a medium dice for this. Go ahead and cut off the ends and then make slices down, and then cut those slices into your medium dice. Once done, we're going to go back over to our stove and give our meat a little bit of a stir, and then we're going to go in with some browning. And this is like a really thick syrup, and it's just going to give some color to your meat, and it is so difficult to get out of the bottle. Like, I shook it for a long time before I got my literal like half a teaspoon that I needed, because when it comes to this, a little goes a very long way, which you are about to see how far this actually goes. And then we're going to go ahead and just cover the meat with some water. We want to make sure we just put in enough water to cover the meat. We're going to bring that to a boil, and then we're going to go ahead and add in our rice as well as our tomato. And then we're going to go ahead and just let this rice cook until it is thoroughly cooked through. If you find that all of your water is absorbed by the rice is still hard, just add some water around the edges of the pan until your rice is cooked through. So I would just suggest doing that gradually, little by little. Then I'm going to go ahead and add in some coconut milk once the rice is cooked, and I'm just going to add a half a can for the amount that I'm making. But as you can see, with the can that I had, I definitely should have shaken it first, because all of the cream and the coconut milk rose to the top. So I got all of the coconut cream in the pot, but like none of the coconut water. So it really affected the color of my pilau, because it looked a lot lighter than what it should. But it's okay, it still tasted great in the end. And then I just added in some peas and carrots, mix that all together, put the lid on, and we're just gonna let that simmer on a low heat for a little bit. And in the meantime, I'm going to go ahead and make a side for my pilau. I'm going to be making some lime cucumbers on the side, but another great side that goes with this is coleslaw. I'm just going to take 1 cucumber and I'm going to slice it up. I'm going to add it to the bowl, make sure none of the slices are sticking together, because all of mine were. And then to this, I'm going to add in some salt. I'd say about like half a teaspoon, as well as 1 lime. I like to always roll my limes first, because it really helps get the juices out. And then I'm just going to go ahead and juice it into the cucumbers, and with that, we are done. I really liked how this pilau turned out. Next time, I'm definitely going to shake my can of coconut milk. I don't really know why it separated, it just did. But I hope you guys liked this recipe. If you did, give it a thumbs up. Hit that notification bell so you know every time I upload a new video, and subscribe for new videos every week. And until next time, guys, bye!